Hello guys, today we will learn how to create a new user in Office 365 Admin Center. We'll go to Chrome browser or Edge if you want, and here we will log into our Admin Center. So once we are logged into our Office 365 Admin Center, we'll see a user tab on the left side of the screen. We need to go to active users, and here we will see an option which says add a user. We'll click on add a user. Herein we have to fill in the basic details for the user that we want to create. Jennifer David. So display name will be autofilled. We'll have to give a username. So as per your organization's email address policy, you can give that. So in my organization, I have first name dot last name, jennifer.david@shantry.com. So next you'll get an option to either automatically create a password. So if you choose this box, it will create random password that you can share with the user. However, here in this case, we will create a manual password for the user. All right. Now we get other two options as well. So first one is to require the user to change the password that we have created on their first sign in. If we want to, we can check this box. And the other one that we get is to send a password in email upon completion. So I'll leave these two unchecked for now. I'll click on next. Herein we need to select the location for the user. And next part, we need to assign a license to the user. So I'll give a 365 basic license. Click on next. Now, if you want to assign some roles to the user, let's suppose you want your user to manage users in the environment, so you can give user administrator, or you want him to manage the Exchange admin center, so you can give him Exchange administrator access. So that is completely up to you. If the user hired to do some admin role jobs, so you can just leave it as it is. The next option that we get is profile information. So herein you can fill in the job title, let's say analyst, department, let's say finance, office address if you want to give, office phone number, mobile phone number. I'll keep it blank for now. We'll click on next. Here you'll get to review and finish. So you can review the information that you have filled in for this particular user just to verify if everything that you have put in is correct. So the display name, the email address, password, we have done a custom password. Product license, the product that we have assigned is, the license that we have assigned is Microsoft 365 Business Basic. Applications that we get in this particular licenses are this. More to it, 26 more applications. No user roles or no admin roles has been assigned to this user. Profile information, job title is analyst, department is finance. Great. Click on finish adding. So Jennifer David added to the active users. We can close this. If you refresh the page here. So this is the test user that we have created today. And great. So just to verify if the mailbox has been provisioned for this user or not, you need to go to mail tab. So it still says we are preparing a mailbox for this user. It will take a while, but it will be done for sure. Great. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.